What's good, everybody? Get Millhouse here, and I'm gonna be doing something that I haven't done in a long time. Um, early in my YouTube journey, I started making videos on perspective and studying habits and the things I did to try to improve myself as an artist. And now, I just want to go back to that because I've been getting a couple of requests on while going back to doing habit building courses or habit building videos and stuff that I would do to increase my jogging mileage. So I used to make this into a ritual like every morning, and I'll be making more videos on this type of topic in a nearby future. Where today I'm gonna be streaming, and before I like to stream, I would normally go into stream like really cold. And when I go in cold, I mean I haven't drawn anything or I haven't done anything with my hands, like either that day or the day prior. And so when I start drawing, I get kind of stiff and I'm struggling a bit, and I have to wait until I find my tempo again to try to get into the smooth groove of things. So if you're like me, if you want to try and improve yourself, and this is the things I used to do like 2020, 2019, 2018. Just 2021, it's been, what am I going to be making? So I'm gonna get back and I'm gonna just get into the video. I'm pretty sure you guys probably seen this before. Like normally, like I like to warm up and I would just do straight lines. They don't have to be the straightest lines. What I really like about doing traditional fundamental practices is that you can like move the paper to fit your position on with your hand. So I do a couple of these, and I'm not gonna try to like go really in depth with a lot of these things here. I just want to just warm up my hand. So this will always be my number one go-to thing right before you start drawing, right before you even think about doing anything um, creatively. You always gotta have a warm-up routine. Either some art stretches or whatever. And let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoyed this type of video, and I should probably make more of these type of videos where I'm just showing you guys what I do or what I used to do. I'm not perfect at all. I don't keep up with all this stuff very consistently. I would take out a sketchbook, something I don't really use often like I used to because digital has ruled my life and everything around me. And this is where the real workout starts. You're doing a warm up. That's just like if you're gonna be on the elliptical for a little bit, or you're gonna be doing some light jogging or whatever. That is already the warm up. Now it's time for the muscle building. Um, Earlier, I'm gonna go through them like day by day. So I'm gonna just show you one of the things you guys can do to also help improve you incrementally over time. What I'll do is like I'll draw a little box here. I'm using like a little ink brush. Doesn't have to be perfect. So let's say I want to have a little box here, and then I'll start practicing composition. Like if I was gonna have a person here, right? He's gonna be in the foreground, right? Get this person here, and let's say if I want to throw in a little horizon line, I'll do that, and then I'll just think about like what is this scene right here? Is it gonna be maybe like there's like a cliff here? This is gonna be in the mid ground, right? And then like probably have something farther back, like, and I'm just doing this as loose as possible. I'm not really trying to aim for perfection here. I'm just trying to get a sense of what's happening here. It's very generic. There's a road. You can probably see a road. If you don't, it's okay. I'm just adding more information here. If I had some tonal markers with me, I'll probably be able to add just more like in depth, because when you're doing the foreground, midground, and background exercises, or just composition in general, you are separating these backgrounds. You're separating all these grounds, right? And whatever that is closer to the camera is going to be the darkest thing. And then further back, things get lighter, and that's the atmospheric perspective, where you have dust particles in the air. And you can do this at home. You can like go out on a drive, and you will just look around at your city and just pay attention to how things are fading more and more as you're trying to look as far as possible as you can possibly can. Something that I really enjoyed a lot. Just seeing, you know, right now I'm not even really doing much. I'm just like scribbling, but in my head, this is a character or something, right? And then I'm gonna have something else right here. This is gonna be, I don't know what they're doing. I'm just this is the overall shape here. And you don't have to really make them be as clean as possible. Like, you can just leave this up to interpretation, right? And if you're like, I don't know, Milhouse, I'm not too sure about this, right? There's an artist you can look up. His name is Tony Infant. If you ever look at his illustrations, they are amazing. And these are the things that he does. Like, he would separate the all of his compositional drawings in black and white and start seeing the stuff there. Like, okay, this is what I'm like aiming for or something, you know. So like I have little elements in here that's like just kind of pointing in a certain direction. Get some more of that coffee. Always have some cup of coffee in the morning, especially on streaming days where streaming and recording. Just always nice to have coffee on hand. If you're not a coffee drinker, like, no, I'm not gonna dog you on that. Let's see what else I can do. Let's do something like this. You can do this with scenes. You can do this with backgrounds. And let's say this is a black this all out. Ooh, now this is a room. Look at that. And I'm just doing this off the top of my dome. Another great practice is like just also doing drawing from imagination. Uh, I know it can like sometimes be frowned upon, but like just drawing from imagination. But it's not all entirely that bad. I feel like when you flex more of that muscle of drawing from imagination, there's going to be a lot of things that you'll see that like will hold you back when it comes to like, I need to come up with something really cool on the spot, or you want to rough draft something. I feel like it's really powerful to start drawing from imagination. It's something I haven't done in a long time. I've been really into using references and breaking all the stereotypes of like illustration. Been having lots of fun doing that. And I guess I'll do one final one because I don't want this video to be hella long. I know a lot of my videos in the past lately has been around like 15, 20 minutes and stuff like that. And I sometimes really drag out the opening. I'm still trying to get better at this. I'm trying to just get better at overall presentation, speaking, translating everything down this in my brain to like make sense. Let's see. How about I want a character, right? I want him up here and super huge. His arm out like that, and just draw a form on this. So this guy feels like he's standing over somebody, and how would I make that look like he's standing over somebody? And then how about like he has like a cannon? Cannons are cool. Something like that. So this guy, he is standing large and in charge. Just maybe this is not like the best like to fill things in. This is just like a sketching thing. I really love these ink brushes. I want to end up using them a lot more. You guys see those videos of Kim Jong-gi and like all Asian artists. They use these brush pens and they look amazing, and you just want to be able to do something like that. Like how can I be just as cool as that guy over there, you know? So I'm just gonna put this all in. Just want to be able to summon my Kim Jong-gi spirit within. Oh my god, that was too much. You guys saw that. But it's okay, you know? Nothing too crazy here. So I want this man, he's going to be standing above, and then he is carrying a giant ass weapon. Could be a gun, or it could be like, what's that dude from Naruto? Half Shark Man. Someone tell me who that is in the comment section. He used to be my favorite character. I don't know how I forgot his name, but he's like Half Shark Man, and he's a water ninja, and his blade is like a fish. It's like a shark. It's like something. It's like it's kind of alive. All right, so this would be where the light is coming from. And then I just want to add in like these really cool streaks here. So like this is just a bam, I am here, you guys are fucked. You know, like I just want that energy, you know, just you guys are gonna have a hard time. I am not gonna make this easy for anybody. It's like what was that guy? The Saints Killer from Preacher. Let me know if you guys ever seen Preacher. The show is great. I highly recommend it. It's directed by Seth Rogen, so it's really comical and stuff like that. But it's also based off a comic book, so I don't know. You can also get the comic book as well. Yeah. And then what's really cool about doing stuff like this, and this is like really like one of the DJ Khaled keys of success right here. So let's say for the entire week I am going to be warming up and I'm going to be doing my compositions. I want to get really good at my compositions. And I'm going to be as shitty as possible and try to do my best. And if it's not that great, then that's totally fine. You know, that can be you. That's cool, right? So you're doing all these compositions and stuff. And when you're done, like for that entire month, and you start looking back at all your work, you're like, damn, these compositions are getting good. Like I was really shitty in the beginning, and then it started getting better. You know, if you guys see my 30-day artist thing, I don't know if I will post that video now, but you know, whenever I post it, you guys will start to see that after like a month of just doing this, right? You can look back at all your good compositions, pick like 5, 10, or even hell, like pick all of them, and then you can just add that to a, let's say you can just add that to anything. Like you can just use all your compositions and add it to your current work. So I like this idea. I'm do like my favorite character, standing like a badass, just busting in the door and saying, you guys are fucking done. And bam, you got yourself ideas. You don't have to like make any more ideas up. You don't have to like pull it out your ass all the time. You don't have to look at references or anything like that. You already have a reference sheet that you made for yourself, therefore making you original. And yeah, I will be making more great habit drawing habit keys to life, whatever. I don't even know how I'm going to title this, but I will be making more videos like this because I think this is more up my speed. I try to do all the other editing stuff, like I'm gonna do a vlog that went horrible, and yeah, I'm just trying to find things that will work out for me and you. So hopefully if you guys like this video, give it a like. If there's anything that you've gotten from this, yeah, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, make sure you never miss any of my videos. We are growing every day, and I think it's kind of amazing that just making these videos and like seeing that the support from everyone else everywhere, even on my Twitch. This is like a Twitch layout here, but I think it's really awesome, and I love being around you guys that are trying to improve, and it's just really a good boost of morale. So I can't hang out and draw with people, but I'm technically hanging out with you guys. So this is, it's really great. I love it. I'll see you guys in the next video.